Every day, operators feel the pressure to do more. They're faced with the prospect of more rigorous production schedules and more complex plays. It's what drives our innovation at Gardner, Denver, to ensure our customers always have equipment that keeps them ahead of today's demands. It's what led to the creation of our Thunder Series pressure pumps, a force of nature that's revolutionizing operations around the world through unprecedented operational efficiencies and the lowest cost of ownership in the industry. Available in both Quintuplex and Triplex configurations, the Thunder Pump features a heavy-duty modular design that exceeds standard overhaul schedules, while reducing maintenance intervals. With innovative power end improvements like easy-to-remove components, sound structural integrity, easier bolt hole alignment, and multiple gearbox options for light and heavy-duty applications. The Thunder Pump has been proven to last 2 to 3 times longer than competitor pumps with an 11-inch stroke. It utilizes Gardner Denver's GDNX fluid end technology and Redline Series consumables, designed for long-lasting applications that require minimal interruption. The Thunder Pump does it all while reducing consumable costs by up to 50% over its lifetime, and saves time by delivering unparalleled performance at unprecedented operating efficiencies. So stay ahead of the demands of your complex fracking operations with the revolutionary Thunder Series pressure pumps from Gardner, Denver.